Containers are the foundation of how Bravo transformed your Figma app design into a native app. They are frames that you add in your Figma file. It's a middle layer between the app screen frame and the UI elements. The most basic setup is to create a container frame that's the same size as your app screen frame. Take this one for example. I simply create a frame within this app screen as the middle layer between the app screen and the UI elements within, and add the Bravo tag container. There are some things to keep in mind when implementing containers. They should touch the left and right side of the app screen frame. And containers must stack on top of one another like Legos, such as this, with their borders touching and without overlapping each other. Containers are very handy for populating your design with data. Rather than simulating a list and all of their detailed pages in Figma manually, you simply create one placeholder design, specify it with a container, and it will populate itself when connected to data in Bravo Studio. And lastly, we've developed different types of containers with cool behaviors that you might find useful. For example, the top bar, the layer, and the sliders. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more Bravo tips coming soon.